Welcome back. In this installment, going to be doing some things to my vehicle to prepare it for a road trip and the possibility of towing a boat back if I find one that suits me. So let's get into it. So one of the things I've done recently is clean my trunk out and prepare for installing this. I didn't get any video of it, but nevertheless, now have a 1 1/4 inch trailer hitch. I did go ahead and get this as well. Which installs there. Okay, so a couple of things with this. This here, I didn't realize was not the right diameter for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold on to this just for any time I need the bigger pin, but I do have another one of these on the way. I went ahead and I got one of these as well. I've seen, a lot of trailers don't have those, so I figure that's not a bad thing to have as a backup. And then I do still need to install this, so I'll be getting that done here in the next couple of days, as well as that pin. Anyway, yeah, I'm almost set up to tow with my car, and we'll go from there. Installation of the CURT trailer wiring harness was pretty easy. I didn't have a dedicated light tester, so I used my multimeter to check for voltage changes. The wires from the harness clip into your existing wiring with little blue clips, so you don't have to cut any wires. It's kind of like a line splice. Here I'm just getting ready to route the one for the other turn signal across the back, and I actually put it underneath the plastic so it stays concealed. You can see the blue clip there. That's what I'm talking about, routing it underneath that. And getting that panel back on. Of course, getting everything tidied up so I don't lose anything. There you can see the harness where it comes out of the back, and that's the length I have. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta get a grinder, and I'm gonna grind the corners off so it fits here and it doesn't cut into this, because right now it's kind of gapping. So I'm going to grind off the corner of that and angle it a bit. That way it'll fit down in the thing, but I'll be able to drill straight down for that one. And before I could do any grinding, I needed something to hold those metal plates, so did some research and went ahead and got a bench vise so that I can use it for this project and others in the future. Got a tester. By the way, those aren't flashing. They are in this viewfinder, so I don't know if they are on film, but on the left side, it's just either showing that it's grounded or that the power's on, right? This is like if you're looking at the back taillights, right? So we'd have turning left, turning right, and braking. So I think we're good. Okay, gonna cut some metal here. Here is the finished product. I got these in and these in, and you can see the angle cuts that I made there. I put a little plastic under there just because I had put some enamel paint on the ends where I'd ground that off. And then here's where these are in. You may be able to see that well enough without that, yeah. And so that's where these affix. And then here, and then there's kind of the complete set of these there. Right out to this. Get the pin. And then the 1 7/8 ball. Oh, by the way, I got the wrench in there. I got the 2-inch ball right there. These are all the extra pins, the hitch pin or whatever that thing is called, and then extra pins in there, and then of course the trailer wiring. So I am ready to go. I'm gonna put the spare tire back in and be ready to roll in the morning. And my final activity before calling it a day is just to check the fluids and do a quick oil change. That way get some good highway miles on that fresh oil change. Make sure all that old stuff is circulated out, filtered out. Keep everything running nice. Direction, some pretty major backups. Looks like a pickup truck had spun out on a bridge, so that backed things up for several miles. The highway warning lights, mention ice hazards. So I got on the road about an hour and a half after I planned. I wanted to get on about 4 o'clock, but took off about 5:30. Not a big deal. It's my own schedule. So, alright, I am signing off because there's traffic happening.
great having you along today.
If you're interested in seeing more, I look forward to seeing you back next time.